A phone. A number. An address. Long. Short. Favorite. A phone number. An email address. School children. A city train. A doghouse. Is it an orange tree? No, it isn't. It's a lemon tree. Is your phone number long? No, it isn't. It's short. Is it your parents' home address? Yes, it is. It's their home address. What's your favorite cake? My favorite cake is a cherry cake. What's the bus driver's name? The bus driver's name is Thomas. What color is the girl's school bag? Her school bag is green. Hour. What are your names?
Our names are Susan and Lisa.
Is that your tree house?
Yes, that's our tree house.
Are your school friends quiet?
No, they aren't. Our school friends are loud.
Who is your favorite school teacher?
Our favorite school teacher is Miss Anna.
What color is your school bus?
Our school bus is red.
Is it your family picture? Yes, it is. It is my family picture. Is it your family picture? Yes, it is. It is our family picture. What color are your car keys? Our car keys are black and green. What is your baby boy's name? Our baby boy's name is Rob. Is this your favorite cupcake? Yes, this is our favorite cupcake. Is your kitchen table long? No, it isn't. Our kitchen table is short.